Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a new chapter from third unit Microbes in Human Welfare. As we all know that microbes cause a large number of diseases in human beings. They also cause diseases in animals and plants. But this should not make you think that all microbes are harmful. Several microbes are useful to man in diverse ways. Some of the most important contribution of microbes to human welfare are discussed in this chapter. Microbes forms a significant component of the biological system on the earth. It means they are present everywhere in the soil around us, in water, the air we breathe, and both in and on our body. अगर हम माइक्रोब्स के साइज़ की बात करें तो बहुत ही माइक्रोस्कोपिक होते हैं, टाइनी होते हैं एंड दे हैव डिफरेंट शेप एंड साइज़. और इतने ज़्यादा माइक्रोस्कोपिक होते हैं कि हम उनको माइक्रोस्कोप की हेल्प से ही देख सकते हैं. वी कांट सी थ्रू आवर नेक्ड आइज. देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ माइक्रोब्स: algae, bacteria, fungi, protozoa and virus. Now in this video we will discuss some important contribution of microbes are useful to human beings. First one is the microbes in household products. First one is the lactobacillus, which is also called as a LAB, lactic acid bacteria. It produces acid and it responsible to coagulate and partially digest the milk proteins. कर्ड बनाने में हेल्प करता है. It also improves its nutritional quality by increasing vitamin B12. And it also play a very important role in checking disease causing microbes in our stomach. A number of traditional drinks and foods are also made by fermentation by the microbes. And the one of the most traditional drink named toddy. And it is found in some parts of the southern India, and it is made by fermenting sap from palms. Microbes are also used to ferment fish, soybean and bamboo shoots to make foods. और कई बार हम इडली और डोसा के लिए जो डो तैयार करते हैं उसमें हमें पफ़ी अपीयरेंस दिखाई देता है. 3-4 आवर्स के बाद वो जो डो है उसमें हमें पफ़ी अपीयरेंस दिखाई देता है, फूला हुआ दिखाई देता है. एंड दिस पफ्ड अपीयरेंस ऑफ डो इज़ ओनली ड्यू टू द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ carbon dioxide. And the dough used for making bread is fermented using baker yeast, and the scientific name of the baker yeast is Saccharomyces cerevisiae, and it is very important. Cheese is one of the oldest food item in which microbes were used. Again, the cheese has some important large holes, and these large holes only due to the production of amount of CO2 by a bacterium named Propionibacterium sharmani. And the Roquefort cheese is ripened by growing a specific fungus on them for a particular flavor. In next video, we will discuss more uses of microbes in human welfare. Thank you.